In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe in Gumloop. We'll start inside Gumloop and finish with a connected Stripe node that you can use in your workflows. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to a Stripe account that has the right permissions for your project. First, open Gumloop and head to the area where you manage flows. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. Look for the section labeled Workflows and open it. This is where you create the automation canvas that will host your Stripe step. Create a new workflow to get a blank canvas. Gumloop may show a brief modal during creation. Just proceed so you land in the visual builder. Once your canvas is open, add your first step. Click the plus icon to insert a new node into the pipeline. This opens the catalog of available actions and integrations. Scroll down to the integration section so you can browse the available services. Keep scrolling until you find Stripe. When you see it, select the option called Interact with Stripe. This loads the Stripe integration panel and prepares a node that can talk to your Stripe account. Next, choose Create a Stripe node with AI. Gumloop will generate the node configuration based on common Stripe actions, which saves time and reduces setup errors. After the node is created, close any pop-up or helper window to return to the canvas. You should now see the Stripe node placed in your workflow. To authorize it, click Sign in with Stripe. This will open the Secure Stripe window, where you connect Gumloop to your Stripe account using Stripe's standard flow. Follow the on-screen instructions from Stripe to approve access. You won't need to paste any keys here. The connection is handled securely through Stripe. The integration may take a moment to complete. Be patient and keep the tab open while Gumloop links to Stripe. When it finishes, simply follow the prompts you see to confirm the connection and return to your workflow. From here, your Stripe node is ready to be incorporated into the rest of your automation. That's it. You've opened Gumloop, created a workflow, added a node, selected Stripe, generated the node with AI, closed the temporary pop-up, signed in through Stripe, and let the connection finalize. You're all set to build on top of this secure integration.